motherfucking dead eye.
That's why he's no joke.
Through the one way, I wish she would. I be flocking the livers, I should. Look in the clip, gotta make sure it's full. Like, they like you up to no good. This is my bros and you don't gotta knock. Like, nigga, you misunderstood. Go ask around what I do to the ops. Like, whole lot of shots in the hood. Oh, that's an OI, I might lose it. The little shit that they was going through it. They could get lit with you, no pick and choosing. Like, they know I really get ruthless. We was masked up, they was clueless. Catch a sweep, then I'm breaking a broomstick. Really got hit in his back, still ain't do shit. They know my body too guns, that bullshit. Like, oh, it's time. Like, I'm about to show you who's slime. Looking for niggas who dissing they rhymes. Suited up, we gon' spit in the sky. You can run all you want, you can't hide. We got hit with like 5, I'm surprised to survive. You not a shooter, you just drive. Like, oh my god, what happened to Rob? Been through the haven, next stop is the O's wait. Slow the V down, that's the low like I damn that actor. Word a bro, so twin to go creep up, hit him up close. On the draw, ain't taking my phone. Free K, broke him at home. Fuck naughty, he all alone. He in the box with the rest of his bros. Like, bro, instead the assignment. Go through 10 shots, I combined it. I got a job, he moving too violent. Bad bitch trying to get right behind it. Set you up to know who are you lying. I'm married to drip every time that I'm sliding. We be seeking, they be hard, the beam on. Look at them ducking and dodging. Come through the one way, I wish he would. I be flocking the livers, I should. Look in the clip, gotta make sure it's full. Like, they like you up to no good. This is my bros and you don't gotta knock. Like, nigga, you misunderstood. Go ask around what I do to the ops. Like, all of the shots in the hood. Oh, that's an OI, I might lose it. The little shit that they was going through it. It could get little with you, no pick and choosing. Like, they know I really get ruthless. We was masked up, they was clueless. Catch a sweep, then I'm breaking a broomstick. Really got hit in his back, still ain't do shit. They know my body too guns, that bullshit.
Like God, that's an OI, I might lose it. Like OIK, the little shit that they was going through it. Like, we was masked up, they was clueless. Like what? Catch a sweep, then I'm breaking a broomstick.